Hi everyone, my name's Marissa and this is the Auld Broon Troot by Sandy Thomas Ross. The Auld Broon Troot lay under a stane lay he, and he thocht o' the wind, and he thocht o' the rain, and the troot that he used to be. I'm a gey old troot, he said to hissel, a gey old troot, said he, and there's mony a queer like tale I could tell o' the things that hae happened to me. They wee halfling trooties are a' vera smart, they're a' vera smart, said he. They ken a' the rules o' the game aft by heart, and they're no aften catched, I'll agree. They're thinking I'm old, and they're thinking I'm done. They're thinking I'm done, said he. They're thinking I'm no worth the flut o' a fin, or the blink o' a bonny black ee. But I'm safe and I'm snug in my bonny wee nook. I'm safe and I'm snug, said he. I'm the big fish that nae fisher could hook, and I'll aye be that till I dee.